So we're going to build on fractions, and we build on it by going to the next step, and that's talking about ratios. So just by way of review, okay, let's just look at some of the work that we've done so far so we can see the transition. Okay, so as far as adding fractions, we know if we're going to add two fractions together, okay, for this to work, we have to have a common denominator. Okay, so put first thing, okay, common denominator we start with. So we have to find a denominator that is the same on both sides. So in this case, we made it nice and easy, right? We can have a common denominator of 4. Okay, so we can leave the 3/4 as itself and add, we got to change this into quarters, right? So we change this into quarters by multiplying the 2 by 2. It becomes 4. So 2 times 2 is 4. Therefore, we have to do 2 times 1. Okay, these look like pluses from your side, I can see. So let's do it like this. 2 times. Okay. All right, so if we're going to add fractions, step 1, common denominator. Okay, and then we get two fractions that we can add together, and we get our answer here. If we add these, we get 5/4. Remember what I said about adding fractions? This is correct, okay, especially for you guys in construction. Okay, this is correct. But whenever possible, as a final answer, convert it into a mixed number. Okay, and remember how we convert into mixed numbers. Basically, a whole number is a number over itself, right? 4/4 is equal to 1. How many, basically 4 divided by 4. How many 4s are in 4, right? That's all you're saying, right? 1. So how many 4s are in 5? 1. And how much is left over? Well, 5 minus 4 is 1. So 5/4 is 1 1/4. So this is when it comes to adding, right? This is how we want to work through our problem. Okay, start by finding the common denominator, add the fractions, right? 3 plus 2 is 5, and the denominator is the absolute, right? We don't add the 4s together. It's how many pieces are available? 4. Okay, so the numerator is how many pieces you want or you have, or how many you're talking about. So in this case, we're talking about 5 of 4 pieces, which is actually one whole piece and a quarter of another, right? That's how we want to work this out. So that's just a quick review of adding fractions.